I'ma go hard, bitch, yeah, I'm a star. Hate on me now, cause I'ma go far. Look at me now, if you wanna see good in 5 years tops, I'ma still be.
So check this out, you just came out to go leave and go home, and this tree literally broke on the car. Look at this. Look at this. It's like midnight right now. Look at that thing. I guess it snapped off of the branch up there, I don't know. But look at this. Wow. Let me go around. It's pretty crazy. I didn't actually think the tree would fall, even though like there's one over there. You can't even really see, but there's trees broken down like all over here, even over here. But look at this. It's kind of hard to see. I wish it was daylight right now. Look at that. It's like all over the hood of the car. Luckily I missed the windshield, and I hope it didn't damage the front of this thing, but look at this thing. This is, looks like a heavy tree. Check it out. It's crazy. Ooh, I need to go home. It's hot out here. I'm tired. Oh. I can't even see with this bright light on my face. So now we're gonna back it out and see what the damage is. Ooh. All right, let's reverse out of here and see what happens. Ooh, it's like scraping. I don't know if you can hear that around the windows. Dang, look at this. Wow. All right, hold on. Let me get out and go take a look and see if there's any damage on this thing. It's gonna be crazy, watch. Look at this. We got some pollen all over. Look at this. We got some tree dust all over the front. Oh, it looks terrible. I don't know if it scratched it. It might have scratched it a little. Oh, oh no, we got some scratches on here. I don't know. I'm pretty sure these. Let me see. Never mind, that came off. I guess it wasn't a scratch. I don't know if it's from this or if it was already there, but wow, look at this. And then here's the whole tree now that we got some light on it. Look at this thing. Came from up there all the way down here. Wow, you guys. I kind of want to take this tree home as like a little souvenir, because how often does this happen? Especially if there's no damage, that'll be cool. Okay, the windshield's good, which I guess is the least of the problems because that's an easy fix. But look at this. Ooh. Anyways, I'm about to head home. We got this settled. It looks good. Hopefully when the sun comes out, it doesn't look like there's a huge dent in it somewhere or something. Oh, it's so hot. Can you tell I'm sweating? Like what? It's midnight right now. Let's see. It's 12:15 midnight. It's still 99 degrees. Whew, today was 118. That was so hot. But at least we got that taken care of. I guess I should stop parking under these trees. Like, this is a thick tree. I don't know how it felt. Like, it didn't. The thing is, it didn't even storm today, so it must have been just hanging on there, and then it just decided to give up today. At least that's what I hope happened. Maybe someone sabotaged it. What do you guys think? Comment your thoughts down below. Well, crazy. All right, it is now the next day. Let's see what the damage is. I'm looking at it and I'm not sure yet. So it's dirty, but it's already dirty from before. Now we do have a bunch of scratches all over, but I'm not sure if they're actually scratches. Well, some of them I think are. What I really need is, do I have a hose? I do. I should probably spray it down right now. I'm gonna see if they wash off. Oh, see, this is why I don't use this hose. It's broken. Water spraying everywhere. Oh, I just got. Oh wow! I just wet myself. Oh, the water's so hot. It just burned my hand. The hose is all bent up over here. Get over there. Okay, actually, I could see some here, but let me try to rub that out. Like you can see a couple right here, but that just might be dirt still. All right. Let me walk around this time. Okay. Oh, now my hands are dirty. Let me actually wash my hands in the spray. That makes sense. Use the water instead of just wasting it, you know what I'm saying? Okay. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, that's coming off. It looks like it's all coming off, so I guess it's just like some scuff marks from the dirt. So it looks like we're good, I hope. Now I need to get an actual car. Oh wait, just have a branch right here. Let me just pull that out. Oh, look at all this. Like, look at all this. I need a desperate car wash on this thing, but look, it still looks brand new, I think. Oh, yeah, I see a scratch right here. Wait, where is it? I don't even see it. I can only see it on the camera, really. Did it come off? Yeah, I think it's gone, right? So, survived a tree falling. I mean, it wasn't a whole tree, but I mean, it was still pretty heavy, I think. But yeah, it's hot out here again. It's another hot 115, I think, so I'm gonna get going. And I didn't learn my lesson because I parked in the same spot. But I mean, what are the odds it's gonna fall again, right? So here it is, it's still here. So now we can get a good look at it during the day. This is the tree. Let me go around to the other side. Try to show you guys what happened here. Because last night it was dark, you couldn't see anything. Look, right there, there's even a tree that fell. Let's see. Oh my god. There's also still one way back there. Look at that, that's been there forever, and that one's huge. Like, that one would have done some damage. So here we go. Look at this. Let's see if now if that part right here falls, that might do some damage, you know what I'm saying? So as long as there's no storm or something, I think we should be good. But look at this thing, this whole thing was on top of there last night. Crazy, look at this, look at all these branches. I'm so shocked. Let me take a look again to make sure. I'm so shocked that nothing actually happened. That must mean this car is built pretty tough. Like, I don't see anything. I just need to give it a wash and I'll be good to go. Crazy. Wow. Hopefully this part doesn't fall. I'm looking at it. It doesn't look bad. Oh, that tree fell from here, I guess, so oh. I'm looking at it again. Because all the trees are falling around here, you know? But yeah, fingers crossed. Wish me luck.